It's Veda Day 5, and it has been one of those days. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today is the 5th day of vlog or video every day in April. And we have got a surprise for you. I've got lots of company and we are making slime. I've never made slime before. Let's take a look.
Hello.
So there's Morgie back again, and she's got slime on her thumb, looks like. But you can see everybody's, they've even got different colors of slime.
Oh my goodness,
Slime
looks like great.
Yes, it is. So this is what we're doing today. I mean, we got up today. We had quite a bit of things to do. We were on the go. We were here. We were there. And now we're back home and we're making slime.
All day. Like, I didn't go anywhere with me.
So sorry that I didn't take you along for any of that, but I thought you might enjoy seeing this. So here's my son, my youngest son, and he's brought his 2 little girls up to visit. And then I've got my other 2 grandchildren here to visit, and then a niece, and my sister is here. And
it's not a ball.
we're having a good time. So just wanted you to see what we were up to. So that's just a brief look into my life today. So here's your question for the day. What part of this mass chaos that you observed interested you the most? Inquiring minds want to know. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up by hitting that like button, and by all means subscribe. If you like cook with me, plan with me, clean with me, laundry with me, and health and beauty, you'll like what we do on this channel. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children, one of which you just saw, and I have managed a home for more than 45 years. So I'd love to have you become a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'm going to get back to it. Bye.
Comment and subscribe down below.
And no mad faces, because we don't like that.
This is how it's turning. Whoa. It's a strand of lots of them. Don't stretch it. Okay, you can't stretch it. Now it's a jump rope. That's not moving. That's from there. Mixing it with the product.
George, look at the inside of it.
It's
Like 10 little holes.
looks like little insects live in there in the hole.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, now come on. Now for the purple and pink mix. Grandma, can you stretch this slime? Oh yeah, if you do that, it makes bubbles. Yeah.
Yeah, lotion makes it even more stretchier.
Yeah, I added a little. Oh guys, look at that. Oh my god.
You can do stretch it
Don't
with
put your mouth.
Oh my god.